Hi, I'm Callum Trudgeon and I'm the arts manager at Driving Creek. So Driving Creek was set up by Barry Brickell. He bought the land in the early 70s and just before he passed away he put it into a trust. So Driving Creek is a not-for-profit with our charitable aspects being art and conservation. Um, Over the years that Barry had this place, wood firing was a big part of that. Um, Now, at this current iteration of Driving Creek, we have a very active artists in residence program. So we have around 60 to 70 artists every year that come and live on site and use the studio space completely for free. They only have to pay for their materials and firings. We've found lots of people are really interested in wood firing, and we have a fast fire phoenix kiln that we regularly fire. And so part of this project is looking to build a bigger, larger kiln, an anagama style tunnel kiln, so that we can teach more people and have more people involved in wood firing. And with the nature of the anagama is that you fire over several days, so it's a real community event when you come and fire together for several days. Lots of people have work involved, and like I said, it's a really good educational tool. So yeah, not only will this kiln be beneficial to our residency program, we also would want to run firing workshops so that we can open the chance to learn about wood firing on this longer format, open it up to the wider community. So anyone that would be interested in wood firing will be able to come and learn here, and we would like to invite a variety of artists to come and lead those workshops. I just think it really will be a huge asset to Driving Creek. As I said, not only the residents but the wider wood firing community. So yeah, a little bit about what your contribution will do to help us achieve this project. And so with PledgeMe being an all or nothing site and crowdfunding format, we're setting our target reasonably low so that we can aim to get some money, but we really could do with more than what we're aiming for. And the reason being that there's quite a lot of work will go into producing to making this kiln. Not only, fire bricks are very expensive, they're around $9 a brick, but we also need to excavate the site, we need to build a kiln shed, we need to have wood storage. So that, as you can imagine, there's quite a lot that goes into that, and that's part of the reason why we're asking for help. We're hoping that the numerous people that have spent time here over the years, or even the people that would like to come here in the future, will realise that this is a good project and this is something that will help benefit many people for many years.